Installing mods in Minecraft with Forge is easy. First, search up Forge Download, click on the first link there, just select the recommended option and download Forge. After Forge is downloaded, run it and select Client and start installing.
In the Minecraft launcher, select Forge. If you don't see it there, just make sure Modded is checked in the Installations tab. You could rename it to Forge along with the version. After that, just run Forge. This is how Forge looks like. Now it's time to install the mods. You can download mods using two websites, CurseForge and Modrinth. In CurseForge, click on Categories and select Mod. Now just find the mod you want and install. In Modrinth, click on Mods, and from there to filter the mods using Forge, just select the Forge option. I'm gonna use this mod. Filter the version of Minecraft and select Forge. Click on the first one to download the latest one. In Forge Minecraft, click on Mods and then click on Open Mods folder. Here, drag the mod you downloaded in the mods folder that open. Now, just relaunch the game and the mod should be working. Now, you should be able to see the mod you installed in the mods option. Now open any single player world and you should see the mod working. The mod I am using lets me see the recipe for any item in the game. That's it for this video. Thank you and bye.